Welcome to Worlds of Words, Center of Global Literacies and Literatures at the University of Arizona, where we're proud to host the 2023 Summer K-12 Institute on Migration Waves as a constant in American history. Our focus is around the hidden and untold stories that exist within each state or region, particularly related to communities of different migration waves throughout the history. We are going to start with a case study of Arizona as a way to look at those histories and then move into having you each do your own case study around your state and region to uncover those hidden histories.
One of the ways in which we'll explore the hidden histories of both Arizona and your own communities is by engaging with children and young adult literature and the authors. We'll be joined daily by authors of young adult and children's literature, of scholars of history. We'll visit significant historical sites and museums, and we'll do this here in the Worlds of Words. We really hope that you will join us. As a participant from the 2021 Virtual Institute said, it was one of the most enriching and intense experiences since their undergraduate studies. We really do hope that you can join us here in the Worlds of Words.